We'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT's slow response issues. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Slow response times can often be due to server congestion, so you need to check the server status by visiting OpenAI's status page. Look for any ongoing issues or maintenance updates that might be affecting performance. If everything seems fine there, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache and cookies from the last 24 hours. This can help resolve any local issues that might be slowing things down. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can try a different browser or switch to an incognito window. Sometimes browser extensions or settings can conflict with the site, and using incognito mode can bypass these. Another important step is to make sure your internet connection is stable. You can run a speed test to ensure you're getting the expected download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, try restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Additionally, if you have multiple tabs open or other applications running, they might be using up bandwidth or system resources, so close any unnecessary applications or tabs to free up resources. If all else fails, try accessing ChatGPT at a different time of day when the servers might be less busy. Sometimes demand spikes can cause temporary slowdowns. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.